What's up, y'all? We're trying something different here. I'm at my in-laws, and normally oh, there's a floofer tail. Normally I'd be outside. There's jets flying over every 30 seconds or so into O'Hare. Like, you can wave to the pilot, you're so close. Hi, pilot. So here I am with my fancy backdrop. This is only a test. If in the event of an actual emergency, you'd be instructed to watch one of my other videos. We're doing a taste testing. I don't know what the floofers. What are you doing, floofer? Anyway. Kimchi pickles. You know I loves me some kimchi. Lightly fermented for crunch and freshness. The floofer has now attacked me. Excuse me. There, do I look better? I can't remember where I got these. I either got them at Woodman's Grocery. And if you have not been to Woodman's, imagine like 3 Walmarts, just the grocery in this huge space, and the best prices in the Chicago area that I've found. Either that, or there's another little market called Jerry's, with all kinds of fruits and vegetables and veggies I've never heard of, and some I can't even pronounce. Imagine a Walmart grocery area stuffed into a closet. Oh, it's not that small. It's a normal sized grocery pretty much, but they have tons of stuff. The aisles are narrow. It's a very international clientele. Just going down the first produce aisle, there's about 6. I was cussed out in Russian, Polish, Korean, and I believe it was maybe Kenyan, Farsi or something, and that's just from the employees, not the customers. Anyway, I love going there. It's a unique place. So I may have gotten this there. It's probably Woodman's though. And drum roll please. Smells like pickles. Looks like pickles. Let's see if there's. I also have some lunch, some Trader Joe's squiggly noodles with some kombucha, not kombucha, not sriracha. There are other spicy stuff. I'll think of it in a minute. Gochujang, or gochujang paste. Love gochujang. Anyway, here's a spicy kimchi pickle. There's a touch of spice at the back end. Ingredients are cucumbers, vinegar, apple, sugar, salt, garlic, gochujang. It's not gochujang. Gochugaru. red pepper, ginger, and a couple preservatives. Always refrigerate. Gochugaru, red pepper. Anyway, I dropped my pickle. Maybe all the spice is down in the liquid. It's interesting they mention a taste of ginger, which is true, but there's no ginger on the ingredients label. Oh yeah, that one had more heat. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to bump you in the head. That's it. It's a thumbs up. It's not, but it is. It's good. At least 4 stars. I can feel the heat now in my mouth. Yeah, good stuff. The floofer's playing with a bottle cap. You can't see it, but she's behind you. We've spent a fortune on cat toys, and she only wants to play with bottle caps. And she loves to slide them under the furniture where she can't get to them. So there's probably about 30 or 40 under dressers and beds and everything else. She just slid it under the... Okay, she's squeezing herself under the dresser, and nope, she didn't get it. Children, am I right? Floofer, you want to come say hi? Come here. Oh. Sorry. So, if you don't remember, the floofer was a kitten I rescued from a colony that I was feeding in Utah while I was there. So, that's it. Yeah, she decided to stay with me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye.